Hi everyone. In this video, let's see how we can generate the Mount Nemrut report card using Excel. So this is a sample report card I have in which all the data is printed, and this is a sample Excel sheet I have in which all the data is updated and then uploaded in the cloud to generate the report cards. So all you have to do is just replace your data in this Excel in the given format. Also, here in the first page of Excel, you can see the school name, address, report name, and the logo. So these are the school or college details. Whatever you enter here will be printed at the top of the report card. So here is the academic year, which is printed here. The grade boundaries we have updated on the first page are printed here in the grade boundaries. You can also select the best supported. You can also select from the supported themes, the best supported themes. You can enter the theme name here. Now moving to the next page on the student data. Here enter the student list. Update the student list over here. Enter their details like class name, roll number, present days, absent days, total days, GR number, and date of birth if required. All these details will be printed here. The student details. Now moving to the next page. This is the main subject result table. So enter the subject names here and then the exam types, total marks and obtained marks. So these will be printed here. This is the subject list, the class test marks, midterm marks and then total marks. Based on these marks, the grades will be printed here. Now moving to the next page, there are the student comments. So here again you have to enter the student list and then comments in front of the student. So this will be printed here as a class teacher comment. Now here is a signature will be printed on the bottom of the report card. So name of the signature holder, designation and then digital signature. The graph is printed based on the exam results. Now let's see the co-scholastic areas. Again here you have to update the student list. Now enter the co-scholastic skills here and then their details. The skill details should be here and those will be printed here. It's a great. So this is how you can generate the Mount Nemrut report card using Excel.